If this video finds you, then your parents are the problem. So today I received an email from a student where she talked about how bad her parents are, a narcissistic family background. And reading her email, I cried. So this is the phase after, and immediately I'm shooting this video. And if you're clicking on this video, then it means that you have either a mother or father who is extremely abusive and extremely narcissistic and extremely their life. You are going through a lot because of them. And first, I want to say that I'm sorry that you have such parents. The thing is, some parents don't really understand the meaning of child rearing and they have children because biologically it is possible for them, but they end up being the worst parents and they ruin the child's life. And if you are continuing to watch this video, then it means that you have an experience of such parenting, and I'm extremely sorry for that. But now, self sympathy and self sorrow time is over. If you're watching this, there are two categories to this video. One, you are below 18 and other is you're above 18. So let's go to the easier category, which is above 18. If you're above 18, the number one thing that you have to do is financial independence. People talk about financial independence in marriage, but people don't talk about the importance of financial independence when you are in such abusive parenting relationship. So the first thing I want you to do is, if you are above 18, you will either be in college or you will be preparing to go to college. So become financially at least 5,000 rupees you need to start earning. So what you can do, start giving tuition classes, bring students to your home or you go to students' house. Taking classes for students is one of the easiest ways to earn in India part-time. And then you can go for a part-time job in your college. Some colleges will pay for part-time job. And now the trend is changing. There are so many cafes. There are so many outlets which hire students to work. So start earning money and start putting it in SIPs or start saving it. Because when you have your own money, there will be some confidence that comes to you, and you are not completely dependent on your parents. So if you want to take a trip, if you want to go outside for relaxation, you have that money that you have saved. So this is number one. If you are below 18, then I want you to ask help to your siblings or somebody close to you. Like if there's an aunt, if there's an uncle, you can ask them for money and you keep saving money. This is not your fault. Psychologically, there are two reasons why these kind of parents exist. Number one, I had such bad parents, so I'm just copying the same thing for my child is the number one category. And number two is they don't really know anything about parenting and they don't care to understand what exactly is there. So these are the two main reasons why such narcissistic parents exist. So I am teaching you simple ways in which you can manage this until you have the capability to completely come out of it and to completely become independent of them. First thing is financial independence. The second thing is emotional independence. There might be fights going at home. You might be targeted. You might be gaslighted. The other day I put a shots. You can't heal from the place where you have hurt. And people were telling that if it's the same place of family, what should we do? I felt so bad. So in that case, you have to build emotional independence. And by emotional independence, it means whatever they say at home, whatever they talk bad about you, they gaslight you, they misunderstand with you, they fight with you, know that you are these principles, you are these values, you are these things. When you know that about yourself, you will not get confused. So when they shout at you or when something bad happens at home, you will not lose your temper. You will not lose your cool. It's like, I know what I am. I know who I am. These people don't need to tell this to me. Okay. And the third thing, if things get very worse, then you have to tell them that I will go to the police or I will call this helpline number and I will complain. Because there are some narcissistic fathers who torture their children so much that it ends up very bad. I've had a lot of emails come through like that from small people, young children, very, very sad. There are a lot of organizations. If you want, I will link some in the description box that will take care of you if such things happen. Most importantly, when you are in such a situation, when you are in such a life, temporarily your life is not over. You have come through them, but it does not mean that you owe your life to them. And there is good things that will happen. You will find a beautiful partner, you will find good friends, you will find a good work environment. Just till you become 20 or 21, you just have to build the emotional intelligence. One more way to help you all is connect with the higher power. I'm not saying this God, that God. Connect with the universe. Talk openly to the universe. Connect with the divine and connect with the almighty that is there, and keep asking for guidance, because guidance, suddenly there might be an opportunity that there's a scholarship program and they're taking you to some other country to study, so you can leave this place and go with zero money from your side. Opportunities can come up like that because you never know what the universe is holding in for you. So connect with the divine. And the main thing is that resilience. Resilience is the strength. Whatever happens, I know who I am and I know what I deserve. These parents, they are just your parents in this Janma only. Because they are bad parents, I'm telling this to you, they are your parents only in this Janma. They were not your parents in the previous birth, or if you believe in the previous birth cycle and soul cycle, they are not your soul parents. Only God is your soul parents. So I really hope that somehow I would have given some strength and hope to the hearts which really need to hear this. And I tell you, you deserve all the love. You deserve every little bit of love, and you deserve the beautiful ending that everybody has. This is just temporary, and slowly things will become better for in your life also. Trust me when I say this, and I will see you all in another video.